Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best summer flowers. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Zinnia. Zinnias are vibrant annuals native to Mexico, thriving in summer heat and blooming in vivid colors like pink, orange, yellow, and red. They range from compact varieties to tall cutting types. Their non-stop flowering habit makes them perfect for hot weather gardens. These sun-loving plants are excellent for beginners, kids, and anyone who wants easy, instant color. Hair tips. To grow zinnias, sow seeds directly into the ground after the last frost. Choose full sun and well-draining soil. Water at the base to avoid mildew. Deadhead regularly to keep blooms coming, and avoid overhead watering to prevent disease. Number 2. Coneflower echinacea. Coneflowers are tough native perennials known for their daisy-like petals and raised centers. Standing up to 4 feet tall, they're ideal for hot summers and dry spells. Blooming in purple, pink, and white, they attract butterflies and bees, perfect for natural gardens and beginners looking to support pollinators. Care tips. Plant coneflowers in full sun and average soil. They're drought-tolerant once established. Water young plants deeply, then sparingly. Deadhead to prolong blooming, and leave seed heads for birds in fall. Number 3. Sunflower. Sunflowers are iconic summer plants with giant yellow heads that follow the sun. They range from 3 to 12 feet tall and are perfect for warm climates. Their heat tolerance and quick growth make them ideal for kids, beginners, and cutting gardens. Care tips. Sow sunflower seeds directly in full sun. Use loose, well-draining soil and water regularly during early growth. Taller types need staking. Minimal care is needed once established. Number 4. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is famous for large tropical flowers in bold shades. Some are perennial, others tropical, growing 3 to 8 feet tall. They bloom continuously in summer and thrive in full sun and humidity, perfect for tropical gardens or patios. Hair tips. Plant in full sun and rich, moist soil. Water deeply and regularly. Tropical types must be brought indoors in cold climates. Fertilize monthly during blooming. Number 5. Marigold. Marigolds are cheerful annuals with golden, orange, and red blooms. They grow 6 inches to 2 feet tall and love hot, sunny weather. Their pest-repelling properties make them excellent companion plants, great for veggie beds, borders, and beginner gardens. Care tips. Plant in full sun with well-drained soil. Deadhead to extend blooming. Avoid overwatering and fertilizing, which can reduce flowers. Number 6. Black-eyed Susan. With bright yellow petals and dark centers, black-eyed Susans bloom from summer into fall. Growing up to 3 feet, they thrive in heat and resist drought. They're ideal for wildflower gardens, sunny borders, and low-maintenance landscapes. Hair tips. Plant in full sun and average soil. Water during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Cut back after blooming for a second flush. Number 7. Lantana. Lantana is a low, spreading shrub with clusters of tiny, multicolored blooms. It thrives in extreme heat, poor soil, and drought. Blooming non-stop in summer, it attracts butterflies. Great for containers, dry spots, and tropical landscapes. Care tips. Give lantana full sun and don't overwater. Let soil dry between waterings. Prune back to shape and encourage more flowers. Number 8. Salvia. Salvia features tall flower spikes in blues, reds, and purples. It's loved by bees and butterflies and thrives in dry, sunny gardens. With a long bloom period and minimal care, salvia is perfect for pollinator beds and cottage gardens. Care tips: plant in well-draining soil and full sun. Water occasionally once established. Deadhead and lightly prune to maintain shape. Number 9. Petunia. Petunias are prolific bloomers with trumpet-shaped flowers available in many colors and sizes. They love full sun and warm weather. Trailing varieties are perfect for baskets, and upright ones suit garden beds. Great for balconies and patios. Care tips: plant in full sun with moist, well-drained soil. Water often, especially in containers. Deadhead and fertilize every 2 weeks for best blooms. Number 10. Geranium zonal. Zonal geraniums are prized for their colorful clusters and fragrant leaves. These sturdy plants bloom all summer and tolerate heat well. They grow well in containers or flower beds, ideal for busy gardeners and beginners. Care tips: provide full sun and let the soil dry between waterings. Deadhead regularly and fertilize monthly to encourage more blooms. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best summer flowers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!